How to change Beltone and GN ReSound hearing aid wax filters. The first step is to take off the little rubber dome. I hold the base of the speaker with a firm grip. I pinch one side and peel over. That little triangular object is the wax filter. I split my packet right in the middle and I take up one of these little sticks. There's the fresh filter and there's a little barb on the opposite end with a bit of a thread. I hold the base of the receiver. I line up the stick nice and straight. You give it a push and a twist clockwise, pull away, and it pulls out the existing filter, and that's empty. I then need to flip the stick over, guide the fresh one in, line it up straight, and then simply push. I pull away and it leaves the new filter in place. To put the dome on again, pick it up with your fingertips, line it up nice and straight with the socket and just push directly on. It should fold on, and there we have it. I put a fresh filter in there and even a new dome. So if your hearing aid seems to lose performance, the sound dulls down or cuts out altogether, it's probably just a blocked wax filter.